As we speak here today, nearly 40 Maryland companies are working on developing and manufacturing COVID-19 vaccines and therapeutics, on improving diagnostic tests, and providing clinical research and technological support to ensure safe and effective healthcare delivery. These companies include Novavax in Gaithersburg, which I had the opportunity to visit in September, and whose vaccine candidate is now undergoing stage 3 trials. Emergent Biosolutions, which has 6 locations in Maryland. They're also headquartered in Gaithersburg. They're going to be manufacturing AstraZeneca's vaccine in Baltimore, and the Pfizer and BioNTech vaccine underwent clinical trials just up the road at the University of Maryland back in the spring. And having had the opportunity to be vaccinated against COVID-19 on Monday, I can't emphasize enough how critical these vaccines are to bringing this pandemic to an end. And I can't tell you how proud I am of Maryland's pivotal role in developing and producing them. Our state is also immensely proud to be home of the nation's premier health research institutions, the NIH, the FDA, and Johns Hopkins, all of whom have been working around the clock to inform the nation's COVID-19 response. And we were pleased to announce in December that Maryland would dedicate part of our federal allocation of COVID-19 vaccine doses to support the vaccination of Maryland frontline workers at federal facilities like the NIH and the FDA.